tell the world who you are.
I'm Jeff Burgdorf, and I'm an affective neuroscientist. So my job is to study emotional life of laboratory animals and try to figure out the biochemistry and molecular biology of these vocalizations and these emotional states, and try to then leverage that information to develop therapeutics to treat psychiatric disorders and novel insights into the biochemistry of positive affect.
So you have your hands full, and one of the things that kicked off this career was the discovery of what some people call rat laughter.
Yes. So Jaak Panksepp, my PhD advisor and close personal friend, we discovered rat laughter in about 1996. So one day Jaak came into the lab, and we'd been watching the animals play. And he said, let's try not having the rats play with each other, but let's try having our hand do the play. And as soon as he did it, it worked. And we had really great ultrasonic vocalizations, and the rats loved it. So at that point, sort of three questions sort of crystallized in my mind, and that really characterized my career thus far. First was, how do I know that vocalization is specific to positive affect? So that was a number of years of work and a number of papers until we were really convinced that relates to positive affect. Then the other question was, what's the biochemistry and neurobiological substrates of these vocalizations? And what we found is they more or less match what we know about human positive affect. And then third, we tried to figure out, well, what can we learn that's new that we don't know about human positive affect or rat positive affect? What are some of the novel biochemistries that we can then discover, which we did, and then how can we leverage this to the development of therapeutics? So, as I had mentioned, we have a drug in phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of depression that in part came out of this vocalization research.
So essentially you're trying to create happy pills.
Or increase positive affect, yes. So increase positive affect, and again, psychiatry, most of the antidepressants that are on the market really are able to decrease negative affect, but aren't able to increase positive affect. And what we're finding out, although there's not a lot of data, but what we're finding out is that positive affect is absolutely key for resilience and for global functioning. So it's important to be a good, successful human being. You need to have some positive affect, or at least it certainly helps.
Great. Thank you so much.